Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Mr. Duru, and recently I published one game, Colorfly the Space Game, and I come across one problem. So the story was when I was testing my game on iPhone XR, the game was working quite good without any performance drop with 60 FPS. But when I'm about to launch it on App Store, I tested it on iPad, and the game was lagging a lot. So it was just freezing and giving a lot of jitteriness to the game, and performance was dropping to 20 to 15 FPS. So I was researching why it happened, why it is happening, and then I suddenly realized that the debug.log, I kept it uncomment. So if I added the debug.logs and I didn't comment it, so debug.log on the devices take a lot of time and creates a lot of garbage. And iPhone XR was quite good with perform garbage collector, but iPad and some Android iPads and mobile phones were also dropping the performance. And yeah, so then I realized I need to find a way to get debug.log, and it, it was used to happen always with me. Whenever I publish the game, I forget the debug.log. So I come up with new script, and I will show you that script in this video. But before that, let me show you our normal way on how to use debug.log. So the normal way is you will have a game manager and you will add debug.log, and you will add your string or you anything you want to show on your game. So if I play this, let me play it. So if I press W, then the debug.log will show moved up. Then if I press S, then it will show moved down. When I press D, it will show moved right, and when I press left, A, it will show moved left. So it is normal. Suppose I had added this to test out my game. And imagine having this everywhere on your various scripts while testing. So we tend to add debug.log, and when you are about to release it on Play Store or App Store, you or for any mobile platform, you need to uncomment this, otherwise performance will get dropped, and this is not really necessary for your final version. So commenting all these lines from every script is quite uh, time taking and tedious. So the another script I have created, let me show you how to do that. So let's create a script. So I will create a script named debug manager, or let's name it my debug. And the script will be static class. So let's remove the mono behavior and public static. And it will have only one function, that is public static void log string. It will pass a one parameter message. And then here we will add debug.log message. So now let's come here and replace our debug.log with mydebug.log. So now since this is static class, we don't need to add it on any game object. It will work fine. Now if I press play and if I press D, A, W, then it will show give same behavior output. The only thing is now is we don't need to uncomment all of these. If we are in final version, we can just come here and comment this out, or we can add just return statement above this. Now if I play the game, it won't show any output. So this is quite good if you are doing mobile game development, and if you are using a debug.logs in your lot of code. So this script will definitely help you to get rid of problem I faced, that is always having to comment all these debug.logs. Yeah, so that's it from this video. If you like my video, do subscribe to it. I'm going to publish a lot of Unity game development tutorials frequently on this channel. So yes, and if you dislike it, then do press the dislike button and do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends.